make sure I give. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I'ma make sure. Hey, oh no.
Hey pretties, welcome back to my channel. So today's video I'm gonna be showing you guys how to do eyelashes, and I know I said I was gonna have one coming soon, but I lost the footage for that, so we're gonna be trying this again. I'm gonna show you guys the eyelash brands that I use and the stuff I use. I only use 2 things, so it's gonna be a quick tutorial, very simple, very easy. All you need is a mirror, obviously. You need any type of tweezer, it does not matter. I'm just using this basic one, this silver one. I also use hair glue, and I use this specific brand, but it's called Salon Pro Hair Bonding Glue. It's just the red top. They also have a purple top, I believe, or a black top. I use both, but I usually always get this one. They're both the same price, they're only $1. So yeah, tweezers vary. Pretty sure this tweezer was like probably $4. Tweezers vary from like $1 to $20. I would never pay that much for a tweezer. I don't care. There's no point in me paying that much. The brands I use are this one is called BU Beauty Lash False Mink Soft Touch Natural Look Lashes, whatever. So I use this brand. They're only $3.99 at the Beauty Supply store. I get all mine from Beauty Supply store. As you guys can see, I have a lot of these lashes. I lost this pair. I just keep the packaging so I know what style that I like, so when I find it again I could just buy it. Miss Espresso Lash. Yo, these are my favorite lashes. I'm putting on a similar one today. The lashes I'm gonna show you guys I'm putting on today is by Miss Brand, if you guys want to know. The lashes is so pretty. So good, so pretty. And a 100% silk lash. I either go for Miss always or BU. And these come from 2 different beauty supply stores. So whichever one I go to is the one that I get it from. If I go to the one that's closer to my house, BU. One that's a little bit further away, but kind of close, the same distance basically. But yeah guys, let's get right into it. So I have the lashes right here. Oh, I found the lashes that I said I lost. Okay guys, that's my tutorial. So I have the lashes right here. Yeah, they're just these type of wispy lashes. You can't really see them. Okay, honestly I cannot go a day without wearing lashes. Like, I can, but I won't. So the first thing I do, so this is a little hack. I take a rat tail comb, like a rat tail comb, not the what's the other one called? Basically not this type of comb. I take a rat tail comb, not this one. This one is plastic. I take the metal one, and I open this. Some people like to twist the bottle and actually use it like they would like with a track, cause you know hair glue used for the tracks, but no. What I like to do, I take the eyelash, as you guys can see. I put it on, I take my tweezers so it'll stay in place. And I take my rat tail comb and I just dip it in the bottle of glue, basically. And you know, this much comes out, not a lot, obviously. And you just like, this is like an easy hack, so like you'll get just enough glue on your lash strip. It won't be too much and it won't be too little. The hack, okay, with eyelash glue, with hair glue, you want to put it right on, because some people like they be like, oh, wait for it to get tacky. No, that does not work for me, at least. And also you can use eyelash glue, like this type of glue, but I don't like eyelash glue. I feel like it doesn't work for me, you know. This type of glue, Ardell type of glue, like this one, any type of glue, but I feel like it doesn't work for me, so I don't use it. I use hair glue, because I feel like it works the best and it's stronger. So basically, as soon as I put it on, I put it right on my lashes. And you don't put it on your lashes, you put it on your lash line, the closest to your lash line, like so. As you guys can see, if you put it directly on your lash line, the closest you can, your eyelashes will look like they're installed really nicely. I took it off so I can show you guys one more time. Okay, you want to put it on the lash line like this. So I have glue, leftover glue. So you guys, you want to put it on the lash line, basically. The closer to the lash line, the more natural it will look. And when you have it on, it should look exactly like this. Right on your lash line. Alright guys, so this is how you do your eyelashes, you know, really simple, look, very easy tutorial. Sorry for my ashy skin, my skin looks horrible right now. But yeah, this is the most easiest way to put on eyelashes. I hope you guys enjoyed my video. I have to hurry up with my phone says no more storage again. But I love you guys so much. Bye, pretty.